Welcome back to another video. I hope you are well. In today's episode we are going to be doing 5 things that I love about my MR2. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 1, it's got to be the pop-up headlights. You can't beat the pop-up headlights. They are very retro, they're 90s, they're 80s, they're cool, and not many cars have them. They're not a new thing, they were definitely a dated thing, a pre-2000 thing obviously, but yeah, number 1 is my headlights. Item number 2 on the list is got to be my interior. Obviously the MR2s did not come like this stock. We have added these in. They come with the blue cloth. I will insert a picture here, or if you've got some of the other models they do come with the leather ones. I'll insert a picture here, but mine were the blue cloth and they were disgusting, but my friend who had the car before me did actually switch them out for some yellow leather ones, which weren't terrible, but these had to be put in because I was matching these with my red calipers, just like I was matching my gear knob from Japan with the lug nuts. So there is a colour code theme going on, but yeah, I love the seats. They're going to stay in the car forever, much like the gear knob which we got from Tokyo. That's not going anywhere. I do love the interior of this car, even when it was stock or stock-er, I did love the interior of the car, whether it was just playing with the sunroof, watching the pop-up's view from this angle, or just generally being in this cockpit slash cabin. It's always a really nice feeling when you're out on a drive. 3 on the list has definitely got to be the engine bay and the engine lid. Obviously they did not come stock like this, but if you do not know, the 1993 Rev 2 NA has a flat lid. I will insert a photo here, which I got rid of, and I think originally my turbo lid, which I acquired, was red, and it was from Andy at J-Spec in Scotland, who does MR2 stuff. I think he usually breaks Mark 3s, but we were able to get the lid off of him, I believe, so shout out to him. But yeah, the raised turbo lid for me, number 3, amazing on the list, and also the engine bay. Again, it didn't come like this. The X-Brace, which I love, my girlfriend bought for me, and that gets a lot of attention. It's really cool. All the nice little stickers that we've added as well over the time. Also add to it, but it definitely needs some work. I will hopefully have the engine bay out in the future, maybe for a turbo engine swap, or just to clean it up, give it a nice respray and then put it back in. I'm still thinking about it. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Do I turbo swap it? I'm not going to go K20, I'm not going to go V6, but the turbo MR2 Toyota engine will be pretty cool. I think the Celicas maybe use something similar. Let me know down in the comments. I'm not 100%, so don't come at me on that. But keep it Toyota, keep it cool, keep it original, and then move on to another car in the future is the plan. But number 3 is the engine bay and the lid. Coming in at number 4 have got to be the cookie lights. I've actually got a spare set down here, funnily enough. I've actually got a spare set just in case. I might sell them, I might hold on to them, I'm not too sure yet. But for me, the rear of the car, the way I've finished it off, I will put a photo of what it looked like stock here. It didn't look terrible, but the autopista wing, the cookie lights, in conjunction with the Japanese rear bumper, because we did have an import, import bumper, the import bumper, because we had a UK spec bumper, as well as the Greddy spats on the bottom there, really give it a nice aggressive look, and I'm very happy with the rear of the car, and it all ties together. I'm not too fond of the Zenki lights, but if you do have them, you are a legend, you rock them, but for me, the cookies were everything, so I had to go and cop them. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are of the rear of the MR2. Last but not least, coming in at number 5 for me are the Rotor Force wheels, which are 17 by 7.5, I think, all the way around. The fitment isn't perfect, so don't come at me on that one. I will sort it out in the future. I originally wasn't too huge on the white on white, and then the girlfriend found these on a Black Friday deal actually, and I fell in love with them. White on white is a way, it's cool, it's a thing. Bring back the white on white, so I definitely love it. It really makes the car, I think. And for everybody that say Rotor Force are crap and they're reps and they're all of this, don't care about your opinion whatsoever. In the future, I'm probably going to get some chrome wheels on my new car, which I'm not going to say any more about. But For now, white on white works with this. I'm happy with it. I think it makes the car, it looks really, really good. So that is my opinion, it's my build. But yeah, that is the 5 things that I love about my car. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and stay tuned for the next one, which will be 5 things I dislike about my car. See you on the next one.